Let's go with this question. The figure shows part of a certain circuit. The magnitude of potential difference between point C and B is. So let us understand the current in this circuit, then we'll continue. So this side we are able to see 2 ampere of current is flowing. This side we are having 4 ampere of current. Means from this particular side 6 ampere of current must come. Okay, now let us apply at this junction. You will see sir, here we are having 6 ampere. Here we are having 3 ampere. So 3 ampere is coming, 6 ampere is going. Means from downside how much current is coming here? 3 ampere you can say. Anyway, it will not be that much of importance, but let's continue from here. So just keep only one thing in your mind. In the direction of current flow across resistor, potential will decrease. And for cell, if you go from smaller terminal to bigger terminal means what? Potential difference will be positive. If you go from bigger to smaller, potential difference value will be negative. So let us simplify from here. So you'll say if we'll start from C, it will become what VC. We are going through resistance in the same direction of current flow. So it will become what? Minus I into R. I value is 3, R value is 1. 3 into 1 will become 3. Then we are having 12 volt of cell. We are going from lower potential to higher potential. So it will become what here? Plus 12. Then we are having 2 ohm of resistance. We are going in the same direction. So 6 into 2 will become what here? Minus 12 because current is flowing in the same direction. Then we for cell we are going from smaller to higher. You will say plus 3. Then 2 ampere of current is flowing across 4 ohm of resistance. So you can say it will become what here? Minus 8 and we are able to come to the point B. So let us simplify it. Plus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled out. Minus 3 and plus 3 will also get cancelled out. So you can say so VC minus VB value will become equal to what here? 8 volt. So according to this particular method, correct answer is our 8 volt. That is our option number 1. Let's go with this question. In this question they are saying a current of 8 ampere flows in a metallic conductor of cross section 1 centimeter square and length 10 kilometers. Free electron density of copper is 5 into 10 to the power of 28 per meter cube. The time taken by electron to travel from one end of the conductor to the other is. So here you can use this formula. Key concept will be of this formula. I is equal to VENA. You know about this formula. Along with this, we will use one simple formula of our what? Kinematics, where you will say velocity value will become equal to what here? Displacement divided by time. With this two formula, we are going to solve this question. So from here, you can say I value we know, drift velocity we don't know, E value we know 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, N value they have given to us 5 into 10 to the power of 28, area value they have given to us 1 centimeter square. But be careful about the unit, it is not in SI unit, so in terms of properly meter square, you can multiply here by 10 to the power of minus 4. Now let us simplify it. 28 minus 19 will become what? 9. 9 minus 4 will become what here? 5. What is left in this side? 10 to the power 5. 5 into 1.6 will become what? 8 into V is equal to 8. 8 and 8 will get cancelled out. Drift velocity will come like what here? 10 to the power of minus 5. You got the value of drift velocity. So from here, second formula, you can go and you will say in this way, the time value will become equal to what here? Displacement divided by speed, or you can say here velocity. Displacement value, 10 kilometers. Properly in terms of SI unit, 10 kilometer multiplied with 1000 means what? 10 to the power of 3. Divided by velocity. Just now we have got the velocity 10 to the power of minus 5. If it will go upside, it will become what? Plus 5. We are already having over there 4. So 4 plus 5 will become what here? 9. Answer will come like what here? 10 to the power of 9 second. That is our option number 2. Let's go with this question. In this question, they are saying the maximum power developed across a variable resistance capital R in the circuit shown in the figure is. So this concept is linked with this particular way. Suppose we are having the external resistance value R, and here we are having equivalent value EQ. internal resistance value, let us say it is how much here? Small R equivalent. So in this case, maximum power will be in which particular case when external resistance capital R is equal to internal resistance of the cell. So first we have to get the equivalent and R equivalent value. So you can say that these two cells 1 and 2. Let us find out their values. So you can say we are having one formula E equivalent divided by R equivalent value will become equal to what? E1 by R1 plus E2 divided by R2. If you simplify it, it will become 10 by 1 plus 10 by 1. It will become equal to 20. Now let's first get the answer of R equivalent. So you can say 1 by R equivalent will become equal to what? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. When you put R1, R2 value over here, what you will get 2? Implies R equivalent value will become equal to what? 1 by 2. Once you got the value of R equivalent, you can put in the equation number 1. So you will get E equivalent value will become equal to 20 multiplied with 1 by 2, means it will become equal to 10 volt, and R equivalent just now we are able to get 1 by 2. So you will say sir, maximum power dissipation will happen when capital R is equal to R equivalent, and that value we know it is equal to 1 by 2. So we know about this particular part. Our circuit will be resolved in this particular way. Here we are having 10 volt, here we are having 1 by 2, and here also we are having how much over here? 1 by 2. You can say directly, so here we can apply directly 10 volt will become equal to what? 1 by 2 plus 1 will become what? 1. That is our R equivalent multiplied with I. So you got the value of I. What is the value of I you have got over here? 10. So power dissipation across 1 by 2 ohm will become equal to what? You can say, sir, it will become equal to what? I square into R. So I square value will become what? 100. R value we know 1 by 2. Answer will become equal to what here? 50 watt. So correct answer will be our option number first. That is our 50 watt.